Rob here. Now, today we're going to be doing Introduction to Film Marketing. We started looking a little bit at Black Panther before Christmas, but we didn't really have much of a chance to do it properly. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the marketing for Black Panther and I, Daniel Blake. You're going to be watching a video on how films are produced, distributed and marketed. Then you're going to be looking at some of the promotional material for I, Daniel Blake, and you're going to watch some videos about how Black Panther was marketed. Then, second lesson this week, you're going to be planning an essay, which you'll finish for homework. So, this is for component 1, section B. Okay, so we're going to have to look at media language. We're going to look at media industries. We're going to look at audiences. We're going to look at media context. So this is what you've got to be doing. This is your syllabus links. Okay, so this section is called Film Cross-Media Study, including film marketing. Okay, you're going to be looking at Black Panther as a mainstream film and I, Daniel Blake as an independent one. It says, and this is straight from the syllabus, it says films must be studied in relation to media industries only. Learners, that's you, will study the set films and their marketing across various media, exploring the convergence of media platforms and technologies and other relevant industry issues. The two films reflect contrasting aspects of the film industry, mainstream Black Panther and independent I, Daniel Blake production. In order to develop an awareness of the film's contemporary examples of the film industry and its marketing strategies, learners should consider at least one trailer and one poster for each film, as well as online marketing where relevant. Selected extracts from the films may also be studied in relation to industry issues exemplified, including the opening credits and at least one other extract. That's probably what we're going to do next week. I'm going to change what we've planned in the scheme of work to take into account of this. So we're going to do textual analysis of the posters and the trailers when I get back. We'll also look at the opening credits and some key scenes from the films. Theory-wise, we're going to be looking at Curran and Seaton and Hesmer Gulch. I'm not going to go through them now. We'll go through it in the next video. So this is the question I'm going to expect you to be answering. We're going to do the videos and stuff in the first lesson. You can plan this in the second lesson, and you can write it for homework. So the question is, independent film companies cannot match the marketing budgets of mainstream Hollywood films, so how do they use innovative marketing techniques to promote their films? Refer to I, Daniel Blake and Black Panther to support your points. This essay needs to be finished for homework. You're going to bring it in next Monday, which is the 13th of the 1st, 2020. Now, you're going to get shown a video about film marketing. I want you to make notes as you're going along. There'll be facts and figures and statistics in that you can use in your essay to back up your points. I will send you links to these videos. You can watch them at home as well and make notes of them at home as well. That will help you write your essay. Now, I've found some more resources that you can use as well. This is some stuff about Black Panther, okay? So there are some videos and there are some websites you can go and look at that talk about how Black Panther was marketed. These are things I couldn't really print out as handouts or anything. So go and read these online, and these will also give you lots of case studies and examples and things you can put in your essay. You'll also have some handouts that you can use as well. Alright? So I'm going to email this out to everybody. The plan was the next thing we were going to start is music videos. So you want to be thinking about doing this music video flip learning as well. That's already on your scheme of work. You know about this, but I'll email it out to you anyway. But I might have to shift everything back a week to take them kind of about back, and I'm not here. So what I was planning to do all this week is after we shifted a week up. So do this anyway, but we might not be doing this until actually week 18 instead, okay? Right. Make notes on the videos you're going to get shown. Make notes based on the handouts. Use that to structure your essays. Obviously, I'm not going to be here, but if you have any questions, you can email me and I'll try and respond to you. I'm going to be on my email and everything over the next week anyway. Hopefully, I'll be off a week, but I'll be back next week. Fingers crossed. Right. Okay. I'll talk to you next time.